Hello and welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial we will embed a few websites into the SAP GUI for Windows. The main reason for this is that you can even now embed websites, and with GuiXT you can use the controls keyword to embed sites, but it is mainly using the Internet Explorer control, and the problem is that many websites do not support Internet Explorer anymore. So what you can do is you can use the new webView keyword. So the new Chromium engine is used for rendering the site. So what you can do is you can go to any transaction that you want to extend. Then in the editor you can click on this editor button. It's what you see is what you get, mode, and then it shows screen editing active. That means that you can change elements on the current SAP screen in an interactive mode. So what we want to do is we want to test and compare. So first of all, we right click and create a new controls element. And we also need a webView element. And now we can compare this, and first we want to see if YouTube is still working. So this is the new web view, as you can see here. Now it's loading video, so we can just play it here. It's an advertise, and the same here for the Internet Explorer control. And as you can see, actually it's in German, but you can see that it's not even displaying anything, so this is not working anymore. So let's try another control. As you can just embed as many controls as you like. So now we try the Google Street View. Okay, so this is still working, that's okay, but I think that Google also plans to stop supporting Internet Explorer here. Okay, let's see the webview version. So of course this should work. Okay, this looks okay. And finally we try the GitHub site. So just right click, change the address here. And okay, this looks a little bit strange. I don't know if it's still working. Let's see what happens in the webview control. Okay, this looks much better, so I guess that this is also not working anymore. So let's close the editor. And yeah, now as you can see, all the controls are embedded into the current transaction. So if you change the window size, you can see that the control is still there, and you can even, like now, go to any material and do some things with the material and go back. And yeah, now here we have the controls.